Imagine waking up without the insistent call of an alarm clock. Spend your days pursuing passions, not paychecks. This is the promise of financial independence. Retire early or FIRE. It's about designing a life you love, free from traditional career constraints. Achieve financial independence, where passive income covers living expenses. FIRE stands for Financial Independence. Retire early. It's about gaining control of your finances to retire earlier than the traditional age. This doesn't mean stopping work altogether. It's about choosing how you spend your time, pursuing passions, or enjoying a slower pace of life. Financial independence is the cornerstone of FIRE. Your investments generate enough passive income to cover living expenses. Imagine the possibilities when money is no longer a limiting factor. FIRE requires dedication, discipline, and lifestyle changes. Align your spending with your values and prioritize long-term freedom. Customize your FIRE plan based on your income, expenses, and desired retirement age. The first step on your FIRE journey is to embrace frugality. Align your spending with your values and cut out unnecessary expenses. Differentiate between needs and wants to save and invest more. Track your expenses for a month. Identify areas to cut back. Cook at home more often, downsize your car, or explore public transportation. Small changes make a big difference. Be mindful of your spending habits. Find creative ways to save money. Explore free or low-cost entertainment options. Negotiate for better rates on bills. Buy used instead of new. Frugality is about liberation, not deprivation. Spend less on things that don't matter to pursue what brings you joy. Saving is crucial, but it's only the first step. To build wealth, harness the power of compound growth through investing. Compounding is earning returns on your investments and then on those returns. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to compound. Even small contributions can grow significantly over time. Aim to save and invest a high percentage of your income. Diversify your investments to manage risk. Consider low-cost index funds for broad market exposure. The sooner you start, the sooner you benefit from compound growth. Step 3, breaking free from debt's grip. High interest debt, such as credit card debt, is a major obstacle to achieving FIRE. Interest payments eat into your income, leaving less money available to save and invest. Prioritize eliminating high interest debt as quickly as possible. Create a debt repayment plan, focusing on paying off the debt with the highest interest rate first, while making minimum payments on other debts. Consider strategies like the debt snowball method, where you focus on paying off the smallest debts first to build momentum and stay motivated. Explore options for consolidating or refinancing your debt to secure lower interest rates. Negotiate with creditors for better terms, or consider balance transfer to a credit card with a lower introductory rate. Breaking free from debt is not just about improving your financial situation. It's also about reducing stress and gaining peace of mind. By eliminating debt, you free up more of your income to pursue your goals and build a more secure future. Step 4, charting your course. The importance of a FIRE plan. A well-defined FIRE plan is your roadmap to financial independence. It outlines your financial goals, income, expenses, saving strategy, and investment plan. A detailed plan provides clarity, keeps you accountable, and helps you track your progress toward your FIRE goals. Start by determining your FIRE number, the amount of money you need to have invested to generate enough passive income to cover your living expenses. Consider factors like your desired lifestyle, estimated annual expenses, and anticipated investment returns. Next, create a budget that aligns with your FIRE goals. Track your income and expenses meticulously. Identify areas where you can reduce spending and automate your savings and investments to make sticking to your plan easier. Your FIRE plan should be a living document that evolves as your life circumstances change. Regularly review and adjust your plan as needed to ensure you're on track to achieve your financial goals. Step 5, discipline, the bridge to financial freedom. Discipline is the bridge that connects your FIRE plan to your financial freedom. The path to FIRE is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be temptations to stray from your plan, unexpected expenses, and market fluctuations. Maintaining discipline is crucial to staying the course and achieving your long-term goals. Visualize your ideal future self, living a life of financial freedom and pursuing your passions. This vision will serve as motivation during challenging times. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who share your financial goals and can offer support and accountability. Celebrate milestones along your FIRE journey to stay motivated. Acknowledge your progress, reward yourself for accomplishments, and use setbacks as learning opportunities. Remember, achieving FIRE is a journey, not a destination. Enjoy the process and appreciate the financial security and freedom you're building for yourself. Real-life FIRE success stories. Inspiration for your journey. Countless individuals have achieved FIRE and are now living their dream lives. Their stories serve as inspiration and proof that financial independence is attainable with dedication and the right approach. Mr. Money Mustache retired in his early 30s by embracing extreme frugality and investing aggressively. He now enjoys a fulfilling life with his family, traveling and pursuing his passions. The Frugal Woods, a couple who documented their journey to financial independence, left their city lives to live a simpler and more intentional life in the woods. They achieved FIRE in their early 30s by embracing minimalism, reducing their expenses, and investing wisely. These stories highlight the diversity of the FIRE movement. People from all walks of life, income levels, and backgrounds have achieved FIRE by applying the core principles of frugality, saving, investing, and discipline. Their journeys serve as a testament to the transformative power of FIRE and the freedom it unlocks. Your FIRE journey begins today. The FIRE movement offers a compelling path to financial independence and a life of greater freedom and purpose. By embracing frugality, saving and investing aggressively, eliminating debt, creating a detailed FIRE plan, and maintaining discipline, you can achieve your financial goals and design a life you love. It's never too early or too late to start your FIRE journey. Take the first step today by examining your finances, identifying areas where you can cut back on spending, and setting up a budget that aligns with your FIRE goals. Remember, even small changes can lead to significant results over time. The journey to FIRE is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be challenges along the way, but the rewards are well worth the effort. Embrace the principles of FIRE. Stay committed to your goals and enjoy the freedom and fulfillment that come with financial independence. A final word, embracing the transformative power of FIRE. The FIRE movement is more than just a financial strategy. It's a mindset shift that empowers you to take control of your money and your life. It's about aligning your spending with your values, prioritizing experiences over material possessions, and living a life of intention and purpose. Embracing the principles of FIRE can lead to a more fulfilling and meaningful life, regardless of your age or income level. It's about designing a life where you have the freedom to pursue your passions, spend time with loved ones, and make a difference in the world. Take charge of your financial destiny. Start your FIRE journey today and experience the transformative power of financial freedom.